New 250 Series Prado multi-mapping. What do you think the gains are? These are constant four-wheel drive with big wheels. What do you think? Check out the video and you'll find out. New car just picked up for the BSC fleet and for testing and R&D. 250 Series Prado. This one is going to have the full JA package 2, which is airbox, 4-inch exhaust and multi-mapping. So I'm excited about the multi-mapping on this. This car is beautiful to drive. It is so quiet. The features are really nice. Good soccer mum's car, but probably wouldn't pull the skin off a rice pudding, so we're going to change that and hopefully tow a jet ski or two around and see how it performs and how it goes. Here we go.
That sounds better.
Yeah, because you can hear it from the back now.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mum. Just Autos Stage 2 package on the 250 Series Prado. 4-inch exhaust, DPF back, airbox, multi-mapping. Huge gains. So we've gone from 110 kilowatts at all four wheels to 140 kilowatts at all four wheels, which is nearly 180 horsepower at all four wheels out of this beautiful little 4-cylinder. Such a sick little rig. So just to put it into perspective, standard 300 series is around about 15 to 20 kilowatts above this. So for this little thing to be making that power is pretty good. So we will go for a drive and see how it feels. Oh, the big boy, hold on, we go really fast, okay? I'll cruise through here. We've got to get to our private test track.
Oh, well, we're here now.
Because it's active cruise control all the time, you can't actually turn it off. There's no cruise on and off button to get it into your multi-map mode. So we have the cruise cancel button. Hold it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is your tuning. If you keep holding it from there, 1500, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5 is your throttle manipulation map. So how responsive you make the throttle, you can dull it down or make it way more aggressive. I've pretty much got all the functions, you know what?
So what's it in now?
Oh, we're in the power mode, like mode 5, lumpy, rev limiter, dong 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 dong. You can really hear that exhaust open up when you get down to idle though. Hear it get loud? That's power mode, baby. So straight away, the first thing I'm feeling is the gear shifting. So the gear shifting is really positive and what feels like going into lockup straight away, which is actually awesome, especially if you're going to be towing or doing anything with it. That's just like a really light throttle. That is super responsive and literally, that's actually really nice to drive, hey? That's so much different than standard. Are you getting hot?
Heated seats
I'm going to put the cooled seats on. Air up your bum?
on. Does it actually blow?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Oh, I need to feel with my... I can feel with my hand. Oh, no sweaty balls.
No sweaty ball sacks. Oh, let's turn traction off because traction's for
That time it actually hit my head back.
It actually takes off pretty hard, eh? I wonder if we do a launch in second gear. So it's an 8-speed in this thing. Yeah, that pulls really good, hey? That feels so much different. Oh, he's given us a converter like on downshift too. Thanks, Maddie. So when you change down gears, it'll have engine braking and slow the car down rather than just the revs dropping and you having to use your brakes all the time. So that'll be really good for towing. Well, I like it. I like it a lot. So smooth. 30 kilowatt at all 4 wheels, which is a big deal. And it was like 120 Newton meter gain. So to put it in perspective, we've done some 300 series on the rollers, which are running a slightly smaller wheel than what this is actually running, on the rollers to the hub dyno, and the difference between rollers all 4 wheels driving to just rear wheels driving can be up to like 50 kilowatts or 55 kilowatts. So it's quite a big difference. So for this to have 140 kilowatts at all 4 wheels, that's really impressive. It's cool. Should tow the jet skis all right, down to the lake. It's done 445 Ks and we've still got just over half a tank.
Way better.
It
way
is.
better than the first test run we did.
Yeah, the first one we did was like...
I like that. That's nice. I like it. I like it a lot.
Here I am stuffing up Mum's fuel economy by doing launches. Sorry, Mum. So if you're local and you want to feel how good this is, come down. We'll take you for a drive so you can feel it, touch it, smell it, and we can show you what goes into them, how they sound, and straight away you're going to want to do it to yours because that is awesome. So give us a call, BSC. Give Just Autos a call, either. Process is the same. You walk away happy, come test drive.